Welcome to Rubiana Super Channel! Yay! Hello, welcome to Rubiana Super Channel, and today we've got a big box. I don't know what's inside. Do you, Daddy?
No idea.
Should we open it and find out?
Come on, let's have a look.
Let's see here what's in here. Oh. Oh.
What is it? Hatchimal collectibles.
Yeah. They look so cool. Wow.
Show the
And
camera.
there's a see-through one. Do you see it? It's okay, let's open it. Oh wow. It's so cute, this one. This is the first one was in the package. And then we have these little eggs we have to hatch out of. Ooh. Put them all there. Ooh. These are so cool things.
How many have you got?
4 eggs and a secret.
Can you get it out?
Yeah. Got it. Shall we open some?
Cool, so what have the eggs got on them? A little heart?
Yeah. What you have to do, you have to rub the purple heart, and then when you rub it, it turns pink. Then you need to push the heart.
Show us how you do that.
Daddy, you can have one as well. You can have the
Okay, you
that
go
one.
first. Let's get this out of the way. So you rub that. Oh, it's gone pink. Okay, and now
Yeah.
what do you do?
Push it.
Wow!
I've got a special little baby! Oh, this one's so cute.
What colour is it?
He's purple.
Oh,
He's
he's cool, isn't he?
Yeah. And there's a little checklist as well. I can check him off and see what see if he's rare, limited edition, like that. Okay?
Okay. What does the checklist tell you? His name?
No. It just says if he's rare and where he is. Okay. I'll tell you if I find him. He's so cute. He might be... So I think he's rare.
Cool.
Where's yours?
Okay, mine's here. So first of all, what do I do first?
Rub the heart until it turns pink.
Rub the heart.
Is it pink?
Oh, it's definitely going pink, yeah.
No, you need to push it.
It's definitely gone pink. Now I just push it.
Yeah.
Whoa!
What did you get? What's your baby?
Oh,
Oh, that's so cute.
look. There we go.
Oh, it's so cute. I'll check him off. Can I see him? Oh, he's common.
Common's not as good as rare, is it?
No. Okay. You are going to now open this red one. And I'm going to open a red one as well.
Go on, you go first.
My heart is completely pink. It's a yellow thing. Oh wow! It's like a flying pig.
A flying pig. Go on, you do the last
He's
one.
from the farm and he's rare. Okay, the heart is purple. Rub it. Push it. Oh wow! Another flying pig but a different colour.
Cool.
And he is common and the other one was rare.
So how many Hatchimals have you got all together now?
These I've got 5 of these ones.
Mm-hmm.
And I've got some other ones as well.
Go and get them. Where are they?
They're in the front room.
Go get them.
Now I'd like to show you my other ones. Here's the first one. Is he cute, everyone? Now there's this little cute kitty cat. I think he's really cute. Then this very rare hedgehog. And I wanted him. This one from a country called Giggle Grove. And looks like he's giggling, that's why. And then the last one is Mr. Zebra. He's cute. You know what's cool about these Hatchimals? They all come in little eggs. And they can sit in them.
So what's your verdict on Hatchimals?
That they're really good. They're really cool that they hatch out of an egg.
And what would you say to anyone that wants to get one?
That they are really cool, and if you want one, you should go and get one. Bye!